This notable Class I historic site, designed in 1935 by Floyd Brewster and Hiram Benedict, stands as a rare example of pre-war modernism, serving as a precursor to the desert modern style. Although Brewster and Benedict may not be widely recognized in the mid-century architectural vernacular, they produced an impressive collection of high-quality projects. Their architectural collaboration highlighted the strength of their complementary skills. Brewster, a highly skilled and socially reserved architect, brought technical expertise to their partnership, while the charismatic unlicensed Benedict contributed a unique flair for design and exceptional enthusiasm. Together, they formed a dynamic team that enriched the architectural landscape of the desert. The Simpsons Radio and Frigidaire Shop was the most modern structure to be built in the desert by Brewster and Benedict. Its design featured a striking tall central tower flanked by shorter stepped vertical forms, along with a sleek, streamlined stainless steel framed marquee extending over the entrance and shop windows. The shop capitalized on the excitement of the golden age of radio and the growing popularity of refrigerators featuring ice trays and freezer compartments. Following Clarence Simpson's passing in 1944, Ted Reed operated the shop, focusing primarily on radio sales until the Cork and Bottle liquor store took over, serving the community for the next 56 years before closing in 2016. The property at this time was then under the ownership of the City of Palm Springs and the successor agency of the Redevelopment Authority. In 2018, current owners Jim Murphy and Hal Kiesler were initially attracted to the local landmark's distinctive Art Deco design, historical designation, and prime downtown location. They saw it as a unique opportunity to become stewards of this important piece of Palm Springs' architectural heritage. At the time of purchase, the building was in visible disrepair and urgently required major structural reinforcement. The facade showed cracked plaster, damaged cornices, and roofing problems. Inside, there was no air conditioning, and the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems were outdated and non-functional. Jim, who holds a degree in engineering and a master's in architecture, worked closely with the city's Architectural Review Committee to develop a comprehensive rehabilitation plan. The plan focused on bringing the property up to code while incorporating modern design elements. To strengthen the building's structure, a seismic retrofit was implemented using heavy steel reinforcement cages on the oversized footings. Additionally, all glass windows and doors were replaced with energy-efficient glazing, and a new light-gauge structural steel canopy was installed at the entrance. One of the most significant undertakings involved stabilizing the clock tower and roof during the restoration of the front facade. This complex task required the team to carefully buttress the tower to the roof and reinforce the original wood truss system, ensuring that the structure maintained its integrity throughout the engineering process. Today, the Cork and Bottle building serves as a multifunctional space for Mod Mansions, the luxury mid-century vacation rental company established by Jim and Hal in 2009. In closing, Jim and Hal wish to express their sincere gratitude to Alex Bazan of Alpha Contempo General Contracting and Hank Hens of Coachella Valley Electric for their invaluable expertise and dedication throughout the project.